Hello, fellow classmates. Today my demonstration will be about something that is very simple, something that a lot of people forget to do, including myself, and something that a lot of people don't do, and that is how to properly balance your checkbook. Now, I know we live in a day and age where we don't write a lot of checks and we use our debit cards, and this can go under the same line as that. What you would need to have available in most cases is your checkbook. You need to have your transaction registry where you'll write all of your transaction history here. You need to have your pen, of course I have that, and you need to have a calculator. Now we live in 2011, so most people don't have traditional calculators, so your cell phone calculator will do just fine. So to begin, we're going to give a couple of examples on how you can balance it and how to write it in properly. So we'll start with Friday, which was November 18th, and say we got paid that day. So we got a check deposited into our account in the amount of, say, $1,000. So we put that $1,000. So now we have a balance of $1,000. So let me show you here. Now you got paid. So the date, 11/18, you had a check deposit into your account. The amount goes here under the deposit slot, $1,000, and your balance will go here, $1,000. Okay. So say we got gas for the week or whatever your preference, school, work, of the amount of $50. So let's stop there. Now, keep in mind where I put the $50 payment at. I didn't put it here, I put it here. Why? Because this is your payment amount. Anything you make payments to goes here. Anything that's deposited to your account goes here. So keep that in mind so you don't think you have more money than you actually do. Okay? Then you deduct that from your balance. Which, remember, your balance is $1,000. So we subtract $50 from $1,000, which gives you $950 as your balance. Okay? So now we move on. So let's give one more example. So we go grocery shopping. We know Thanksgiving is coming. Good eating. So we have groceries. So groceries was $230. Now, you, once again, see where I put the 230? No. Didn't put it here. I made sure it was here so that it will actually be deducted from my balance. So we deduct that $230 from your balance. So we use our calculator here. We put in the $950. You deduct $230, which will give you exactly $720 in your available balance. So you make sure you write that all in properly so you don't confuse yourself, okay? Now what you want to keep in mind is that at each transaction you make, like the check was deposited, it's $1,000, your gas, $50, you always want to keep up with what your balance is. See here, balance $950, balance $720. So you make sure you deduct it every time so you always know what you have available in your account so that you don't overspend, and that you don't create any accessible fees from your account, insufficient funds fees, anything like that. You don't want to have those extra fees. So you want to keep that in mind. That also goes on the line of if you use your check, okay? All you have to do is write in your check number here, the date, what the check was for, the amount, and what your balance is. So it all goes under the same lines of using your debit card, using your checkbook, using your credit card. One of the few things you want to keep in mind all the time is that you want to always keep a good transaction history. You want to always know exactly what is coming out of your account at any time of the day so that you can make sure that you have the exact amount to cover you. Okay? So I hope, again, I did not bore you with my time. I hope this presentation enlightened you a little bit on how to balance a checkbook. Thank you so much and have a great day.